Switch the main monitor off and on again. Write down the cap code displayed on the monitor screen. In this example, the cap code is 624728. Yours will be different. This cap code will need to be programmed on the pager to ensure it receives signal. Take out the battery of the pager. On the front of the screen there are two buttons, Mode and PW. Press and hold in the Mode button and then put the battery back in while holding in the Mode button. After a few seconds it will show CAP1 on the screen. At this point you may release the Mode button. Press the PWR button once only, you will see 7 digits on the screen. This must correspond to the digits you wrote down on the previous step. In our example it is 0624728. You can change a digit by pressing the PWR button and you can move to the next digit by pressing the Mode button. Once you've gone through all the numbers and they correspond to what you wrote down, press the Mode button again to return to CAP1. At this point press and hold the Mode button to reset the pager and save the setting. Have the button ready that you want to program. On the side of the monitor, press and hold the menu button until it shows F1 on the screen. Press the Set button once and then use the up and down buttons to change it to the relevant number you want the button to display. Use the Move button if it is a number consisting of 2 digits. Once you have the correct number, press the Set button again and then press the button you want to register. The monitor will say Registration Complete, and then the button will be registered on that monitor. Press the ESC button to exit the menu and then press your button to make sure it is working properly.